welcome back to our channel. Check out this 1982-92 Camaro Double Den install kit. This bezel features 3D printed parts with a color and finish similar to the factory plate. Why do you need a double den, you ask? It allows you to put a modern radio in your hot rod. This kit also includes brackets that make it a much easier install. The brackets are aluminum, which makes the radio more sturdy than plastic. By adding a modern radio, it allows you to use features like a reverse camera. You can also hook up your phone, and that will allow you to use the apps on your screen. You can call your friends and family or use your navigation. Here is everything you will receive in your kit. These are the aluminum brackets that are included. They are slotted so you can make small adjustments and get the radio exactly where you want it. The bezels have a factory-like texture and color. The radio is not included in this kit, but you want to find one like the one pictured on the top. The style on the bottom will cause issues. Here it is fully installed. Real quick, here are some other products that are featured in this video. This is our 82-92 Camaro Firebird mini license plate mount reverse camera. This is the square flush mount single port USB. We will show you more on that in a different video. Here it is fully installed. Alright y'all, that is it for today. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and y'all have a great day. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.